welcome to the fishing adventures, and here we go again. We're at Bridlington and I'm in the wrong lane. Bridlington and in wrong lane, so I'll go round and round the magic roundabout again. I shall go forsooth, and hopefully get in the right lane. Anyway, we're back on harbour today. We're going to do a bit of night fishing today. I've only brought one rod, bag full of what they call it, bag full of bait, one rod and some snap. Well, we've got to bring some snap. I brought some the loop and all. Anyway, just about in Brid. Oh yeah, Met Office got it spot on today, spot on. Big thumbs up to Met Office. Looks like they've got it spot on. It's going to drop a bit chilly tonight, but 6 weeks ago I tried my flotation suit on, and would it bonkers fit? Oh, it was mental bonkers. Won't go on, couldn't get it on. I put some lockdown timber on 6 weeks ago. Anyway, I thunks to me sen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a look on Amazon and see how much flotation suits are. Anyway, I kept dithering and dathering as you do. I thought, bugger it, I'm gonna get a flotation suit. Anyway, just by off chance, I thought, I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna try my other one again. And it fits. I've lost some lockdown timber. Hey, way to go. So I've saved me sen, knocking up to 200 quid by slimming down. Don't get me wrong, it's not Burton the Tailor's, dress you well fitting, but it fits. And I'm sure, so I've left pie off today, no pie today. But anyway, like I said, it fits right knackers and everything, so job's a good one. And so today I'll be mostly wearing my Shakespeare Navigator flotation suit, which incidentally will keep you warm for 2 hours and afloat should I think about falling in the sea. Looks like this traffic works up ahead. So anyway, yeah, so I've got a bag full of bait. I've got some bait. I've only brought one rod today. And I'm going to fish off harbour. I'm going to do a bit of night fishing off harbour. I've come a bit later, so I can stop a bit longer, and hopefully we'll see what's about. I brought my Shakespeare rod, the Sigma 12-foot beach cast. I'll be enough on there today. So anyway, forsooth to Brid, and we'll check back in when I get set up. We are on harbour, ready for first cast. Just touch through my stuff first. I've a Shakespeare Sigma 12-foot beach caster, rated up between 4 and 8 ounce casting weight. Not an expensive rod, mid-range. I like it, I think it's decent. The reel is again Shakespeare Sigma. I've got £50 line on. I come down to £20 rig line. I've got a clip there with a swivel. Tied this myself, come down here, just teed off. I'm fishing one down at first. Got some bit of fluorescent beads on. Just kick off with. Fishing single ragworm just to begin with. I've got a what is it? 200 lead weight. Although it is calm, I could probably go down from that. But I'm gonna kick off with it anyway. So it's its first cast. It feels like it's going to be. I've got that fishy feeling. I don't know if that. We always get that. Always get fishy feeling. Else you won't come, would you? I mean, my nurse said to my mother's nurse said to me, why'd you go fishing? It'd be boring. I said to her, I said, look, I said, next fish I catch is going to be British record. I know it's not, but in my mind it is. And she says, well, that's a bit like me. She says, when I go golfing, my next strike is going to be an hole-in-one. So I can see where we're both coming from. Anyway, enough from me. Let's get some fish caught. Oh, snap today. I've got a tea cake. It'll always be a tea cake to me. I've heard the argument about the tea cake's got currants in. If that's the case, why do you ask for the fruit tea cake? Why do they sell fruit tea cakes? You'll always be a tea cake to me. Not a bap, not a muffler. You'll be a tea cake. You'll be a Yorkshire tea cake. Do you know that? Well, you probably are a bap, but when you grow up, you'll be a Yorkshire tea cake. Don't worry about that. Never mind all this piffle about having currants in. That's a fruit tea cake, or even a scone. Anyway, I've got some pep with some a large dollop of mustard on. And I have to report that I'm boiling in my suit. Oh, jeeps. The right dab on. But that's why we wear them. Also, I have noticed these. I'll just take a little walk at him. I'm not going, he'll nick me. It's not this fella, he'll nick me like that. Let him nick it, I'll knock you out. Anyway, as you can see the sign, it says fishing from this pier, how long was where I have this clothing. So luckily this Shakespeare Navigator flotation suit get me as I vis, so I'm alright. I'm not going to get Harbour Bobby after me. I've been out to report, not even a little nibble, but I'm not too fussed because it's snap time. Anyway, see you later. I'm practising some social distancing. Only me hump fella. Nobody else on by me jack. That's how I like it. All but just me all alone. Just me. All alone. Look. Not as carried about. Even at other harbour walls, nobody there. That's either bad fishing. Well, Champions League's on tonight, but I've taping it, you know what I mean? So what taping? I said taping it. I don't know what they call it nowadays. Hey, look, my mate's back. I'll get you something sorted in a minute. Shagnast, don't worry. I'm going to give you a name. Cyril. Come on, I'll get you something in a minute. We're in here for this one. I've been here 10 minutes. I've been here a peck sandwich. It's not a big one though, I don't think, unless it's come off. Has it come off? No, it's a little flatty. We've got a little flatty here. Little flatty, come to bug me. Little flatty. On a ragworm. Well, a dipped ragworm actually. I've dipped it in some monster crab bait. There you go, look at that lovely little dab. Tell the dab light because if you look you can see through them. Lovely little fish. Let's get you back in there, sunshine. Come on. Oh, he's gone, get gone. Birds come here, I've got something for thee. I've got some mackerel, got some mackerel. Yeah. Little bit of mackerel for you, come on. Come on then, yeah, come on. Let's get it for thee, come on. Come on, yeah. Yeah then. Quick before that thing gets it. Go on, get running. Get running. Wait a minute. Let me cast start. Bloody hell. Another ganj here, I believe. Yeah, there's a little flatty. Oh, that same one that swum round. Who knows? Come here. Come here. Just flip-flopping about. Flip-flopping about like steady. Come here. There you go. Sure, I'll just get this fella back in. Come on, they're looking for thee. The mates, go on, get on. Come on. Is he coming round? Come on, come round. Yeah, he's turned off his right now. Yeah. Oh, he's there, yeah. Yeah, I'm dipping my dipping my worm in instant monster crab. It seems to be doing a trick. So we'll see what's what. Come on here, mugglers! You're not right quite trust me yet, do you? Do you? Yeah, come on. Yeah. Let's love it out of my mouth. I had to get my hands on one day. Oh, the bloody ugly nose bugging on. Come here. I've brought the mates, haven't I? I see. Brought all the mates. Come here then. Come on. Let's have the. Come on. It's here. Come on. I'm not going to hurt you. You know I'm not going to hurt you now, don't you? Here. Come on. Come on. Don't they get fed up with them? Huh? Don't they? Don't get fed up with them. Come on. Yeah, come on. Don't they get fed up with them? Come on. I'm not going to hurt you. I've been feeding you all the time. I won't hurt you, would I? Come on here. Yeah. There you go. Let them have to feed thee. Come on. Come on now, listen to me. Listen to me. See that out there? See that there? That's sea. These things, some are biting that. So what, you're going to go get some? You're saying, come on. Come on, let's see you. Come on, not going to hurt you. Come on. Come on. Just not sure yet, are you here then? Just not sure. Go get it. That's it. Oh, Biggins after it. Get running. Get running. He's after it. Go on, get going. Where is he? Oh, he's there. Nice little manoeuvre. Go on, get going, poor bugger. Come here. I'll save thee. That's it. I swallowed it. Look how have it, kid. Nice bit of dodging there. Come here then. Here. I don't know. Come on. Here. Get up here. Come on here. Come on. Come on here. Yeah. Yeah. Put it on here. I'll put it here. Who's getting it? Which one are you? Look, you've all brought all your mates here. Quick, get it. They're all getting it. Quick, 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 quick. Big fellow, come run. Run. Oh, I'll have to it. Tell me not to tell anybody. Yeah, I can see you know, sneaking up. Scared me off, hasn't it, that? Picking up this fella. Look at it, go on, go on. Look at you, little bugger. Hey, what are you doing? That's my bait. Bloody sea full of that there. You're extracting your eye, you. Come here. Come on. Well, I've got the mate up back, is he? Oh, the fellow's waiting there, come on. Come on here, quick. He's coming. Come on, foot seagull, come on, it's yours on here. Come on, get it. Foot seagull comes, come on, quick, get it. That's it, get it, it'll have thee. It'll chase thee, lad. That's it. A cheeky bug, I'll give you that. Had the shen at one. Brought the mate with you now, that missus. I brought missus with her. Unbelievable. Dickon lady, yeah? Look at it. Can I have some? I'm tired of any bait. Yeah, I can't, it's fake. Can't get my spaking done. I'm not the only one on, is there? Another ganj down there fishing. So we'll see what happens. There's one at end here. There's two at end actually. Two at end at North Harbour Wall. See what happens. So we go. This fella, the crab, on bloody end. Oh, I might do as bait actually. Thinking about it. I've got some crab in here. I don't need you. I've got plenty of crab. Don't need you. But it's there, look. Oh yeah, there's a bugger. Lost the claw, haven't they? Lost the claw. Yeah, it's jumping up and down like dancing Doris, this one. But I don't think it's big enough to take it. I'll get it a tug next time. It's as you can see, it's not taking it, so it could still be crabs. Could be crabs messing about with the job. But like I said, look at it flip flopping about like bloody steady on dance floor. Right, snap down again. I've got some homemade loop the loop. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Oh yes, that's just what you need in a cold harbour. A bit of homemade loop there. And not only that, we fetched a tire cake, or a bread cake as some call them, but this is a tea cake. Good as tea cake. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Perhaps I should have put a bit more pepper in. But other than that, champon Johnny, champon. Oh, I'm catching out. These fellas biting bloody bait all the time. Get on. Bloody things. I swapped over and I swapped rigs. I've just gone on to a simple pulley rig. But there always seems to be crab biting at the minute. Basically, it's tangled. That's not bloody thing spinning it, water. Right, it's just goes down to a barrel swivel here, fastened on. I've put two crimps with beads there and there to give me a nice bit of play. I've gone down to a lead clip there, and at the hook end it's a size 2 hook with a size 2 hook with a little red reflector. I'm just going to bubble some piece of squid on, I think. About here much. And so I would like to just nip it through a bit of squid. Fasten this on. it on like that. Round. That's in it. And here I've got my monster crab gunge. Just going to soak it in that, try and get a bit of scent round it. See if I can liven things up, but it's very poor today. Very poor. I must say it's getting cold around face and hands, but with this one, it's flotation shoot on quite warm actually. The boat coming into the sorry, very poor today. Very poor. Very poor. Trying everything, but it's not like it tonight. Just got some squid on there. Spare squid on a 2 hook. Well, it seems to be working. Seems to be getting some tugs, but I think mainly it's just crabs. One of them days, we all get them. I expected a bit more though at night at the harbour. We've had some good days on the harbour at night, but tonight it's not living up to perfection. It's not to expectations. So boats are still coming in. Boats are still coming in. Got to bring fish with them. Anyway, birds got big. No, only one. Wherever that thing lives. Look at it, looks flopping about here. Dancing about it and around that road like dancing dories, but they're not taking it. They're not taking it. Anyway, we'll see what happens. See, any troubles with harbour. You can get inundated with crabs and small fish. I suppose you can anywhere, but it seems to be more on harbour. It's usually not so bad in winter. I mean, it can be prolific once lighting coming in large numbers. You're far better off on beach sometimes. I should have gone. We're going to go to North Bay and fish off beach tonight. I decided not the easy life on harbour, but it's like it's backfired on me. It's like it's backfired. Might get another half hour then head home. Most things pick up. Lock her on. Tried everything. Fresh bait, frozen bait. Squid usually does well, but it's not happening just not one of them days. But we'll
a little knock again, look, it's not taking it, not taking it. You'll see it judder in a minute. Little judder. Or it went. Well, or it went one or two. It's not right bothered now, look. It's not right bothered. It's not showing me up but, anyway, this is site. It's harbour. There's a couple of folk down there. It's like a lot of parked up at night. There's still plenty of activity happening over there. It's a shellfish processing plant. Boats coming in left, right and centre. Looks like I spoke too soon. Just got a little whiting out. Come here, bag of bitches. Let's get this out. Up and up, come on, that's him. Up a bit. Oh, squid. At least it looks like things could be bucking up. So let's get cast out, haven't we? See what's that time again. Children, time to go and yam. Time to go and yam. Bad day at the office today, I thought. Can't remember if I caught 3 or 4. Still a bad day at the office. Bad day at the office. I expected a bit better today, but it's one of them. It's one of them things. That's sea fishing for you. Some good days, bad days, but we'll be here again. I should have gone to North Bay. I should have gone to. It's like betting horses. Should never change your mind. Never change your mind. But I did. I did. I should have stuck to North. I should have stuck with going to North Bay. But it is what it is. I enjoyed it, always enjoy it, that's the main thing. Always enjoy it. And like I said, the flotation suit did the biz. So until next time, stay safe and goodbye from Houston Fishing.